everyone, and welcome back to one of my favorite episodes when I have to discuss vocabolario tematico. This is, as you may know at this point, vocabulary that is related to one single topic, okay? So first I'm gonna say how to use this type of video, okay? So you write down your words, you may want to record it and then repeat it even when you go to the gym or do something like washing the dishes or something like that, okay? So you can repeat those words after yourself and then make up a story. Think of a good friendship you have with somebody or a bad one. That works either way. And start creating a story. Start telling the story using some or a part of this vocabulary. Okay, l'amicizia. I want to start this video by saying Friedrich Nietzsche used to say that friendship can mature between individuals, two individuals at least, that may have nothing in common, okay? What is your experience? Because not having anything in common is kind of hard, you know? At least you have to share some emotional shared values, you know, for you to rely upon that person, maybe. I don't know. Let's hear from you guys. So, number one. What I'm gonna give you is a bunch of words that would describe certain abstract ideas related to friendship. L'amicizia. So we have fiducia, trust, okay? The verb here is fidarsi. It's a reflexive verb for no reason, okay? And you would say, io mi fido di somebody, okay? So, io mi fido di loro. Perché posso contare, I can count, I can rely on, posso contare su di loro, su di loro, sulla loro amicizia, okay? Sincerità, sincerity, ok? La sincerità è molto importante in ogni rapporto. I don't know if you really would want somebody to lie to your face all the time. I certainly wouldn't. Comprensione, comprehension, okay? So the comprensione here is understanding. Understanding where somebody is coming from. Understanding the intention of that person, okay? So comprendere è essere comprensivi, okay? Essere comprensivi l'un con l'altro, one with the other. Lealtà, loyalty, okay? We have another video where we have mentioned this word. Anyway, lealtà is the noun for it, leale is the adjective, okay? So, lealtà. The opposite would be slealtà. I think you would want somebody to be loyal to you, to take your side, whenever it's possible, yes? So that sometimes può contrastare, can contrast, può contrastare con sincerità, okay? Because perhaps essere troppo onesti può essere interpretato, can be interpreted, può essere interpretato come slealtà. Empatia, empathy, this is one of the most used words right now, okay? Empatia, empathy. Sostegno, okay? Support, we call it sostegno, okay? Tu vuoi che il tuo amico ti sostiene. I'm purposely not using congiuntivo here. It would be, technically speaking, ti sostenga, okay? Because volere, for anybody out there who knows what congiuntivo is, congiuntivo is introduced by volere, okay, here. But anyway, if you don't know, skip it. That's not important as of right now. Okay, so tu vuoi che il tuo amico, la tua amica ti sostenga, supports you. Condivisione, condivisione. The word is condividere. Actually, the verb, that's the verb. The word is condivisione. The verb is condividere. The past participle is condiviso, so you could guess where condivisione comes from, okay? Condividere, to share, okay? There was one philosopher, whom I completely forgot the name of, who used to say, condividere amplifica le emozioni. I need to eat more fish and recover some of my memory. Point being, let's move on. rispetto, rispetto, respect, ok? Rispetto. Il rispetto è molto importante in una relazione, whichever type of relationship you entertain. Affetto, affection, okay? Affetto and the opposite of that would be essere freddo, essere anaffettivo, okay? Which is kind of a disease nowadays. Essere affettuoso, ok? Mi piace vedere le coppie affettuose, ok? I like seeing old couples hanging one with the other, holding hands, you know, that kind of thing. Okay. Tollerante. Tollerante. Being tolerant. That's one of the most undervalued values maybe right now. So, tollerante. Essere tollerante. Okay? When you describe amicizia, you could say questa è un'amicizia di infanzia, di lunga durata, un'amicizia di lavoro, un'amicizia virtuale, un'amicizia profonda, un'amicizia scolastica, ok? Di infanzia, childhood, scolastica, of school, di lavoro, because you were at least at a certain point colleagues, virtuale, virtual, profonda, deep, okay? Now, you would say essere amici, but also to make friends, I would say. That's stringere amicizia, stringere, okay? Stringere, to squeeze. Stringere is more to squeeze, yeah? Stringere amicizia. Rompere un'amicizia, to break from your friend. Break up with a friend. Avere un amico del cuore, a best friend. It's un amico del cuore or un'amica del cuore. Your friend of the heart, okay? Del cuore. Confidarsi, that's very important, right? What kind of friendship would you have with anybody if you don't confide in that person? Confidarsi. Essere presenti, being there for the other person, okay? So essere presenti per l'altro or l'un con l'altro. Last one, sostenersi a vicenda. So earlier we talked about sostegno, support. The expression here would be sostenersi, to support. A vicenda means each other, one with the other. Now, guys, as per usual, I do hope this video was helpful to anybody out there, and so we'll catch up next time. Of course, go ahead, create your own story, write it here below, and we'll catch up next time. Ciao!